Hey everyone, today we've got an essential topic for anyone looking to boost their online presence: how to optimize your keywords. If you're running a blog or creating articles, getting your keywords right can make all the difference. Stick around because we are about to break it down step by step. Step number 1: choosing the right keywords. The first thing you need to do is select your domain and identify the most popular keywords in that field. This initial step sets the foundation for your content strategy. Step number 2: understanding your niche. It is vital to be fully aware of the domain you are working in. If you are into programming languages, for example, you need to know which language to target. Think Java, Python, and more. Understanding your niche is key. Step number 3: creating effective content. Once you know your keyword, it is time to build content around it. Dive into comprehensive research and craft content that simplifies complex topics for your audience. Explain what the keyword is, why it is important, its history, and its uses. Step number 4: on-page optimization. Now, let us talk about on-page optimization. This is where your website's success hinges on organic traffic. It is all about researching and analyzing. Step number 5: importance of title tags. Your title tag is the first thing users see, so make it count. Ensure your targeted keywords is in the title. Your title should grab users' attention and clearly convey what your content is about. Step number 6: links and URLs. Adding links and URLs to your content is crucial. Incorporate relevant links that enhance your content. Inbound and outbound links can significantly boost your keyword optimization efforts. Step number 7: internal linking. Don't forget internal linking. It is all about connecting your current content to existing articles on your website. This keeps your content organized and helps users explore related topics seamlessly. Step number 8: using slugs. Last but not least, always add a slug that contains your focus keyword. This is a small but critical detail in optimizing your content for search engines. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to optimize your title for SEO. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on to the next one.